Experience powerful, all-around cooling with the lifelong oscillating tower cooler, designed to deliver wide air circulation with multiple speed settings, auto oscillation, and a built-in mist function for enhanced cooling. Choose between low, medium, and high fan speeds as per your comfort. Use the strong airflow mode when you need faster cooling. Activate the mist function for enhanced cooling. Enable auto oscillation to distribute air evenly across the room. Set the timer to automatically turn off the cooler at your desired time. If you're using the cooler after a long time, gently wipe the mist spray plates to remove any dust and ensure smooth operation. Featured with a 700 ml water tank with an efficient atomization rate of up to 80 ml per hour and a 15-day energy efficient system, it ensures consistent and refreshing cooling performance, while the included remote lets you easily control speed, oscillation, and timer settings from anywhere in the room. Finished in a sleek, space-saving design, it's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. Smart cooling, maximum comfort, all at your fingertips.